Not all journeys are the same. Neither are the objects that accompany them. Some are designed to be noticed. Others are designed to endure. This is AERIONN, forged from aerospace-grade titanium. Not coated, not disguised. The material left honest. Brushed, matte, low reflective. It doesn't aim for perfection. It allows time to leave its mark. Character is earned. Movement is deliberate. Air move, dual spinner wheels. 8 points of contact, smooth, quiet, controlled. Strength doesn't need excess weight. 4 kilograms. Titanium integrity, balanced mass. Easy to lift, effortless to carry. Metal meets leather. Precision meets touch. Soft, leather-wrapped handles. Comfortable, replaceable, made to be used and renewed. No zippers, no vulnerable points. Mechanical latch closures, secure, intentional, finished with a silicone seal. Tighter tolerances, water-resistant by design. Inside, order is intentional. 2 compartments, balanced volume. Structured storage on one side, flexible space on the other. 4 internal pockets, straps that hold. Nothing shifts unless you do. The handle adjusts, quietly, precisely, engineered for comfort, designed for control. This isn't luggage meant to be replaced. It's meant to be serviced, maintained, kept, because longevity is not an accident. It's a decision, designed in Milan, refined, minimal, no trends, no excess, just form, material, movement. AERIONN Forma, forged for a lifetime of journeys.